everyone, it's Regina from Pampered Soaps. Today we're going to do a comparison. We have a soap from one of our competitors, the Activated Charcoal. We won't name the competitor, but that is one of their Activated Charcoal soaps. This one is our Activated Charcoal soap, just so you can see. And we're just going to do a suds test to see which one we think is better and which one you guys think is better. All right, so let's do it. I'll take that one. All right, so I'm going to wet my hands, and my wonderful son is helping me out here.
Hey, everybody.
He's going to wet his hands. All right, he has the competitors first, so I'll let him go first. Wet his hands. There you go. All right, give me some of that. We're going to do it on both sides for each one. Okay, so I'm going to soap it up here with the competitors so you can see both of ours with the same one. All right. There we go. So, smells very good. Smells like peppermint.
Yeah.
Suds are pretty good. All right. Rinse that one off. Feels pretty creamy. All right. Let him rinse off, and then we'll do ours.
Yeah, it's smooth. I think it feels a little bit thin as far as the lather goes.
And then here we go with Pampered Soaps Activated Charcoal. There you go. And the same thing. There's the suds. I don't want to sound biased, but I think it's very smooth. And what do you think?
Yeah, much better lather. This feels really smooth. Smells great.
This one has more of a musky scent. So it's really co-ed. It could be for a female or male.
Very nice. Very, very nice.
And then we're going to go ahead and rinse. There you go. And we'll let you guys decide what you think. Hope everyone is staying safe out there. Happy holidays, and we will come back with another video for you guys next week. Until then, stay safe and be blessed.